E-discovery is an interesting animal. And e-discovery comes into lawsuit. So if you're ever party to a lawsuit, usually the lawyers are very friendly and they're going to send you a notice that's going to say something like, you're about to be sued. And here's your notice that you're about to be sued. Just so you're about to be sued, go ahead and start preserving all the records that you have on these things. Because when we actually sue you, we're going to want all of them in discovery. And if we find out that you've destroyed anything, here's your notice that you're going to be in trouble. You should have retention policies in place. By the way, if you don't have a retention policy in place, now's a really good time to create retention policies. You do not want to be testifying against yourself ever, A, but also B, like you don't need to have 15 years worth of email on your email system. This is a bad, email is not a document management records keeping application. It's a horrible place to be maintaining this stuff. So having sane document retention policies that make sense for your business, and maybe that's storing emails for 2 years, storing other types of documents for 4 years, storing some things for 7 years. There's, based on your business, there's going to be different retention policies and different guidelines for different things. I mean, if you're in healthcare and you're sending out information to a subscriber, I mean, you're required by law to maintain that data for a set amount of time. Do you know what that is, and are you complying to it? I mean, so these are all retention policies, but not to get too completely sidetracked. So what e-discovery does for you, and these platforms all have e-discovery built into them. So e-discovery, what it does for you is it gives you the ability to create retention holds. Once you get this scary notice in the mail that you need to start preserving this stuff, you can log into the tool and you can go to the e-discovery portion of the system and you can say, here's accounts or here's keywords, and you can create a hold, and then you can also do exports. And e-discovery is one of these things that always comes into the enterprise features. It's not in small business. It's not in the cheap plans. It's in the expensive plans.